What is the best way to write a prompt? Well, you can obviously just say what you want and it'll look pretty good. A stone carving of a child's doll. However, there is another way to write a prompt and it involves using 2 colons to split your prompt. This is called split prompting and it will get you something like this. Child's doll, : stone carving. Pretty similar, right? Well, what's the difference? Why would you want to write it one way or the other? Well, there are 2 reasons, and the first involves the nature of split prompting. Using 2 colons happens to separate your prompt quite nicely for the AI, but that was not its intended desire. Split prompting was made so you could add a weight to different parts of your prompt. I have 3 examples to show you here. First is the idea of a grandfather clock. If you wrote grandfather, : 8, clock, : 1, you would get these. And you can see the grandfather is clearly emphasized. And if you put grandfather 1, clock 8, you get clocks. Now keep in mind that the numbers are in relation to each other. So the 8 and a 1 means the 8 is 8 times more important than the part of the prompt with a 1. And a quick note, having a space between clock and the 2 colons does not matter, but having a space between the 2 colons and the number does. Make sure your number goes directly after the double colons. I have 2 more examples to show you the power of weights. To be honest, I'm not sure why you would want to use these, but they are certainly available for you to experiment with. So the second example is this prompt, neon colors 5, black and white drawing 1. As you can see, you get all neon colors and nothing black and white. Meanwhile, if you make the prompt neon colors 1, black and white drawing 8, you get all black and white. Do you see how much flexibility you have while writing your prompts? Honestly, it can be a little overwhelming, but I think it's important for you to see just how modular the AI really is. Maybe it will come in handy for you in the future. And this last example might be a little more practical. So, Corgi 1, Ice Sculpture 10 gives you an attempt at least of an ice sculpture Corgi. While Corgi 10, Ice Sculpture 1 gives you a Corgi with a hint of like ice or something. Okay, now the second reason you might want to write in split prompts rather than using commas has to do with recreation. For those of you who don't know, if you generate an image and you like the image, the only way to guarantee you see the same thing again is to locate the seed number and then use that seed number when you're rewriting your original prompt. And I have the perfect example for you. Say you want a portrait of an angry royal guard with fiery hair. Well, Midjourney can make that for you. It will look something like this. But if you like those pictures, you cannot recreate them without the term angry because the seed is tied to that full prompt you wrote. However, if you write portrait of a royal guard with fiery hair and find one you like this, you can then find the seed number and use that in the following prompt. You can write portrait of a royal guard and then 2 colons and the word angry. Along with the seed number you found, you can get something like this. Now, if you write portrait of a royal guard with fiery hair, then 2 colons, happy, and then the seed number, you will get something like this. See how cool that is? You can alter the pictures you already like and make them change their emotion. You can use any adjective. I have a good video on that if you want to check it out. Here is sad, here is glitched, and here is fantastical. The point is, split prompting is great for finding something you like and then tweaking it until it's exactly what you want, rather than writing exactly what you want and not being able to tweak it. You know what I mean? If you like this video, check out some of the other tutorials on my channel. Take care, and I'll see you next time.